It's been a turbulent few weeks for national and global politics, so the coalition parties will be relieved to know that there has been little change in their popularity since the start of the year. But this is far from good news for either Micheál Martin or Simon Harris, with neither making any inroads 1 year into their term in office. The latest Ireland Thinks poll for the Sunday Independent suggests that support for Fianna Fáil is at 18%, the same as it was last month. Support for Fine Gael is up 1 to 18%, but that's still a minuscule recovery from the 17% last month, which was their lowest ratings ever. The news for the main opposition party isn't much better. Sinn Féin is down 2 points from 22 to 20%. The Soc Dems remain the same at 10%, Labour remains the same at 4%, Aontú is the same at 6%. Independent Ireland is up 1 point to 6%, PBP Solidarity is up 1 point also to 4%, and the Green Party is also up 1 point to 3%. It all points to the bigger parties shrinking, while the smaller parties are incrementally growing, the continued fragmentation of Irish politics. Get the full details of all the reports in the Sunday Independent and on independent.ie.